I'll give you a tutorial from walking onto the boat from the dock. That way you get the full effect. There's the bridge. That way is Floating Island. Behind me is Green Cove. Over there across the smoke on the water is Mandarin. And that way is St. Johns County, Shane's Bridge. So, I'll give you the full tour, but it is a little messy in there because I've been working. This is not the final product, but this will give you an idea of what she looks like. I didn't name it either. Her name is called Bermudiana, like Bermuda, the island, but Bermudiana. And I don't know the guy who named it. That's her right there. Bermudiana. Anyway, they say it's bad luck to change the name of a boat. So, probably I'm not going to change it. Got my "Don't Tread on Me" flag. That lets folks know